Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. We are going to get this application from routine developer. Okay, let's open. Then accept all the permissions that pops on your screen. And as you can see here, we can customize a lot of things, so you can set up whatever you want here, then tap on the home icon and select remember my choice and go for iOS launcher. And as you can see right now, we are able to work on this launcher on our device. And of course you can customize like you want. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!